Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Best Places State Comparison. Best Places is a website that provides a comprehensive tool for comparing different states in the United States based on various factors such as cost of living, education, healthcare, and more. To start, go to the Best Places website and click on the State Comparison tab. Here you will find a list of all 50 states. And you can select up to 4 states to compare at a time. Simply click on the states you are interested in and then click the Compare button. Once you have selected your states, you will be taken to a page that provides a side-by-side comparison of the states you have chosen. The comparison includes a wide range of categories, including cost of living, housing, transportation, education, and healthcare. You can also view the overall ranking of each state, as well as the national average for each category. One of the most useful features of Best Places is the ability to customize your comparison. You can select the specific categories that are most important to you, and the website will provide a weighted comparison based on your preferences. For example, if you are looking to relocate for a job, you may want to prioritize categories such as job market, cost of living, and housing. In addition to the state comparison tool, Best Places also provides a wealth of information on each state, including demographics, climate, and economy. You can access this information by clicking on the individual state tabs at the top of the page. Best practices for using Best Places include taking the time to thoroughly review each category and considering your individual priorities. It is also important to keep in mind that the data on Best Places is subject to change, so it is a good idea to check back regularly for updates. By following these steps and using the Best Places State Comparison tool, you can make informed decisions about which states are the best fit for you. Whether you are relocating for a job, retirement, or any other reason, remember to take your time, prioritize your needs, and use the customization features to get the most out of the tool.